Hello friends, welcome to the channel. This is the Baird. It is Friday, the first Friday car show of the season in Jackson, Michigan. This is the Friday before Memorial Day, and we have been checking out the cars. Thanks for stopping by the channel. Remember to like, subscribe, ding the bell for notifications. Welcome to the channel, all our new subscribers. We're up over 100 subscribers in the last several weeks, and we want to say thank you to you for stopping by, and hope you like tonight's adventure. The car of my parents. We are at the, so got a new gimbal. So there is a Corvette. We're downtown Jackson, Michigan. The first car show of the year downtown. We got another car coming in over here. It's a race car. Real nice. Chevy pickup truck. Camaro over there. Look at that. Let me get out of his way before I get hit. All right, so they're in the process. Everybody's parking, getting set up. This officially kicks off at 5 o'clock. Goes till 7. I'm here till 6. My ride comes to get me. So they're rolling in. A lot of guys are not able to park in their normal spot because of where the food trucks are. So we've got elephant ears and corn dogs. All right, so hand-dipped corn dogs. Look at that. Nice looking setup. They're not open yet. So they got music going on over here at the main stage. So we've got Italian ice, pretzels, walking tacos, barbecue sandwiches, Iceman's concession. How you guys doing?
Doing great. How are you?
Not bad. Where are you guys from?
Right here in Jackson.
Woo!
Iceman concessions all over Jackson.
All right, man. Well, I'm gonna have to check you guys out. I do some YouTube stuff in town, and so we'll have to get you guys. Where you guys normally set up at?
I'm all over the place. Any small
Okay.
town fair or festival.
Okay.
On Facebook under Iceman concessions.
Okay.
I'm going to be doing, let's see what's next. I got the Michigan Center Carp Carnival coming up,
Okay.
Grass Lake Traffic Jamming,
Okay.
Conroe
Yep.
Classic Weekend,
Yep.
Hanover 4th of July,
Okay.
I mean, all over.
You got time to answer 2 questions?
Sure.
What's the benefit of running your own small business?
I make the decisions, so I stand and fall by them.
Okay.
So the only pressure I put on myself is what I put on myself.
Right.
Second thing is if it's not broken, don't fix it.
Okay.
Because if it's working, it's
Right.
working.
All right,
And,
nice.
Love the independence.
Okay, and then so what's the second question is what's the challenge of running your own small business?
Being self-disciplined.
Okay.
Being persistent.
Right.
And being organized to take care of what you're supposed to take care of.
Awesome, man. Well, thanks for your time. We'll catch you around sometime
All
soon.
right, have a good day.
Yep, bye-bye.
Hey guys.
All right. So here's a friend of the channel. So remind me, what did you say was new on the menu?
Crab Ragoon.
Crab rangoon. So what exactly is that?
So it's cream cheese, crabs, scallions, and a little
Like in a
chili
like in a egg roll?
like an egg roll.
Okay, awesome.
Yep. It's just like the little
Right.
dumplings you get, but I made it
Right.
into a full
Okay.
egg roll.
Okay. Cool. Nice. Look at that. Ooh, she's getting all set up. She's down. She's going to be doing business. We'll catch you later. All right. So, we got more cars rolling in.
How crazy is that, you guys?
Hey, boss.
How you doing, my guy?
Not bad. Anything special on the menu for tonight?
No special pizzas tonight.
So tonight is the normal menu.
Yep.
And I'm going to get that here in a second. I still haven't got around to editing last week's video yet, so I'm...
Yeah, the regular menu, but it's going to be a great night.
Woo! They're going to be kicking it out. So what would be probably the hottest item that you would suggest somebody check out at an event like this?
Spicy or?
No, just as your hottest seller.
Dill pickle.
The dill pickle pizza? All right. We'll catch you guys soon. Oh, so this is what they're doing. They're advertising the Special Olympics barbecue contest. You guys got a second to kind of like promote your event?
Randy's right around the corner. Randy Coleman.
What?
Hey, you got a chance to promote your event coming up for me?
Hey, yeah. So I'm Randy Coleman. I'm from Special Olympics. I'm the area director for Jackson County, which is
Nice.
Area 19. So we've got a great fundraiser coming up June 15th, which is Saturday, and it's a competition barbecue. We're still looking for more teams. We have room for 10 or 12 teams, so we still have room. We're also hosting the Michigan Amateur Cornhole Tournament as well, too.
Nice.
So everything's going to be at the American One Event Center. We're going to have 32 lanes of cornhole set up inside, and we're going to have 5 divisions. We've got open division, we got singles, we got ladies, juniors, and seniors. And we're actually for the singles. We're about 50 entries away from that filling up, so you need to hurry up and get your entries in, as well as doubles. And then for that whole event, that Saturday, we're going to have over $5,000 in payouts.
Well, awesome. Awesome. Thanks for your time.
All right, thank you.
Yep, so we got somebody setting up over here. Knights of Columbus. What are you guys cooking tonight?
Hamburgers, hot dogs, nachos.
Okay.
Nachos with cheese.
All right. Awesome.
Knights of Columbus.
Right. Great luck. Great. Have a great night, guys.
Jamestown.
That over here. A newer one. We've got a nice modified classic vintage there. We got this car right here. This Trans Am is from my era as a kid. I was a big fan of Smokey and the Bandit. Look at that. Woo! So now this generally happens the final Friday of each month of the summer. So generally as we roll in towards Labor Day, that is the last event of the season. So tonight is beautiful weather-wise, so we got a huge turnout. Just look at this stuff. Ooh. Look at these cars. Ooh, I like that one. So those that are in the know like to park where they can get out of the sun. So these guys over here are in the trees. Look at that. So you also get some natural shade from some of the different types of buildings. My parents like to park down by the old hotel because as the sun sets, the shade gets more and more as a positive for them. So we got a Torino up here. Nice Ford over there. I like that. Look at that. Ooh. Looks like somebody's trying to sell their Mini Cooper. Library. The Trans Am rolling in. So it's blocked off up here at Blackstone, which is kind of the north side of downtown. Just look at that. Look at that. Oh yeah. So let's go catch the other side of the street. Looks like we've got a car hauling unit that's trying to get out of the path of everybody. Nice looking Camaro up here. virtually all it down. Ooh, look at that. So if you are a lover of vehicles and food, this is an event to consider. Ooh, look at this. We've got a black Stingray for sale for only $63,500. Wow, that's tempting. That is tempting. Another Corvette. Look at this Jeep. Woo, that's nice. Another little Fiat over here. Looks like someone didn't get their car out of the parking spot in time. 74 Charger. Over here. Look at that. Look at that. Ooh, look at the engine, the headers on that puppy. Man. Look at that. Nice. Camera is down, so there's not going to be a lot of photos this year from this event. So we will see. We might do so. I'm assuming this year it's going to be just strictly all video. There's the stars of the evening. Nice Mustang. Love that paint job. Look at that. All right, so we're going to skip that section and go down here and hit the street. Sorry if we missed your car. Still, I've got some cars that didn't get moved. Oh, that screams class right there, the Impala. Look at that. Got a Porsche over here. Love the stacks on that truck. Nice little truck with a nice little tailgate. I gotta say, guys, this is the best use of a hitch I've seen.
That's not a hitch.
Why? I just didn't know what else to call it.
It's not gonna tow nothing with this.
You guys have a good one. All right, so we got a Mustang driving by us. We got a Chevelle over here. Another Chevy over here. Black Betty. That nice. There's a van over here. So this runs over to Pearl Street. There's another classic icon, the boat car. Oldsmobile over here. Another MG of some sort. Look at that. So let's cross the street over here. A couple nice looking cars over there.
I said unless you want to borrow a price.
Look at that. Ooh. It's a Ford of some sort. Another Corvette over here. Look at that. Ooh. Those are my favorite. Look at that. Lines on that puppy. There's a silver one over here. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Look at that. I like that orange. Look at that. Shelby Mustang. Look at that. Ooh. Look at that bad boy. Corvette. Parking the wrong way. Ooh. Check that out. What are you guys cooking on the smoker?
We've got Italian sausages. This is Hawaii. We have hot dogs. We have ribs.
Awesome. What? How long? When did you guys have to haul this in? Like this afternoon or this morning?
No, we brought it out here at 2:30 in the afternoon.
Oh, it's probably a good time.
Yep.
Catch you later. Thank you. So they're out cooking some good stuff. They've got some great curbside options going on outside of Bellanote tonight. Jackson Habitat for Humanity. What kind of project do you guys have going on?
Well, we are raffling off a golf cart,
Okay.
Habitat for Humanity, to raise money to build a home for a veteran.
Oh, awesome. When is the drawing? Is that tonight or later this summer?
Later on in June.
Awesome. You guys have a great afternoon.
You too.
Here. Look at that. Chevy. I've talked to the owner of this car out at Brooklyn last year. That's a big boy.
Hey, that
I just came to say hi, honey. I have to take him to his golf.
I was like, oh, look at all the
Look at that goodness. Woo. And that's a loaded fries?
Yes, that's a loaded Big Mac fry. And then they need one more thing.
Oh, so she's putting on the pickles?
We're not done.
Look at that.
Maybe we can get them out.
Pie egg roll.
Oh my goodness.
Ta-da.
Peach cobbler egg roll.
Wow.
We don't skimp at this truck.
We know that.
There you go.
Woohoo! You guys have a great afternoon.
Yes, thank you.
Oh, I'm excited. That looks so good.
What's on this?
So this is crab, cream cheese, scallions, and a little hot honey.
And this is a new item.
Yeah, this is a new
Awesome.
item.
Awesome.
I've been asked several times to do it. I'm finally ready.
Awesome. So how much testing did you have to do before you were before you were happy with your turnout?
This is probably like 20th, 30th batch.
Okay, cool.
My family eats a lot of egg rolls. They'd be like, oh, really?
Yeah.
Just eat that. Tell me.
there you
I
go.
want to get an idea.
All right, go ahead.
Okay.
Look at that. She's gonna slice it. It's gonna. I'll let that
Right
cool.
there. And then let me get your sauce. One
Awesome.
second.
Look at that.
I've tried to make the sauce.
Uh-huh.
It just makes it better. Look.
Look at that. Awesome.
All right.
All right, thank you. All right, so I decided to cheat. Had to do one. that. Look at the cook on that. You can see the crab. You can see the crab and the scallions in there. Ooh, and it's nice and hot. Oh, yeah. Oh, this might be my new favorite. Oh, yeah. Oh, look at that cheese. Look at that. Right.
For the Rotary Club, and we're sharing the profits with the Jackson DDA. That's the Downtown Development Authority. They're the folks who put on the cruising.
Awesome.
So, looking forward to having a good time today.
And there's our assistant. Can you wave for me? Yeah. There we go. Nice to see you guys. Thank you. Yep. Bye-bye.
That's what they fall apart after a while.
Well,
and then it ruins the drum.
Well, it's only that one spot.
Hey, $200, you got it fixed. Maybe 400. That's it.
It's at the point where it's just all these other things.
Tyler.
I know what you did.
Well, you can understand that tenors on results. When the native snail ship
So last week he was doing, there was an event going on at Art 364. And so he had some custom pizzas that they were doing for that event.
Hey.
My dad's gonna get one of your pizzas.
Oh, right on.
Yeah.
Done it before.
Which one did you get?
Chicken, the pesto chicken or chicken pesto.
Well, I gotta go.
We'll let Chad follow it through. How's that?
Yeah.
You can watch it go in the oven.
He'll watch me eat it too.
I'll hold your camera and slide the pizza in. See how that works.
Well, I've actually got to run. It was great to see you again.
Oh, stay here.
Well, I got to go. My ride is on its way. I scheduled a ride home, so.
Dad won't give you a ride home?
Just as my dad's pizza was being put in the oven, my alarm clock went off, and it is time to call it an evening, friends. I've got a ride on the way to get myself back to the bunker to get this video together and get it out. This has been the Baird. This has been the first car show of the 2024 season by the Downtown Business Authority. And so remember, if you're still watching us, to like, subscribe, ding the bell for notifications. If the gentleman that I was having a conversation with earlier subscribes, it's nice to meet you. I think it was Steve. I'm bad with names, but it was great to chat with you.